got this huge box. This is massive. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. It's Victoria. Today, if you didn't see from the caption of this video, is FabFitFun Day. I love my beauty box subscriptions, especially BoxyCharm. I think that one's my favorite, but I do really love FabFitFun too, and this time is a particularly special one because I did purchase some add-ons with this package, so I'm really excited to finally get those. I know I got the Kate Somerville eye cream, and I've been dying to try it out. I've heard it's like really cooling and tightening, so we're gonna test that one out today. And just open this massive box. It's so big. It is so big. So yeah, we're gonna dig into this and just have a fun time together. Oh, wow. This is huge. What? I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh, this one was free. This is from Giovanni. It's a shampoo tea tree. I'm really into tea tree. I've been adding that to my moisturizer and my lotion just all over my body, and it has been helping my skin so much, you guys. I cannot even tell you. I've been trying to get my husband to use it, but he's not into that at all. But tea tree is awesome. Sweet. That's so cool. And then I got 3 of these ones. I especially wanted the rose. This is the Kiss Your Cravings Goodbye Behave Aid. It's a junk food crave reducing lip moisturizer. Like, what? I didn't even know that was a thing. I don't know who thought of this, but whoever you are a genius. It says you're supposed to apply it when you start getting a craving and then drink a whole bunch of water. And on the top it says break up with junk food. This one was the rose scented one, and I got 2 of this because I really love rose, and if it works really good then I want to have a backup. I don't remember how much I got this for. It doesn't tell me how much I got it for, but I know it wasn't a lot. And then I also got one in mint because I wanted to try out that one too, and I might give one of these away to one of my sisters for Christmas or something like that because my whole family just loves sugar. So I'm really excited to try those. And here's my Kate Somerville. Hold on, let me just move this. This box is just massive. It's right in front of me. Oh gosh, 7. Oh, so here's our FabFitFun box and our empty massive one. I'm just gonna set that aside and we'll open it in a second. I'm a huge researcher, you guys. Like, it takes a lot for me to spend my money on something. I have to always research it and make sure that I'm gonna spend my hard-earned money on something that's worth it. And if it's not worth it, then I do end up returning it. I'm not afraid to return something that I don't end up liking because you do work really hard for your money. So yeah, one of the reviews said that this, even on their hand, they could feel their hand like cool and tighten. I got this for $29. I remember that because it was a high price tag and I wasn't sure if it was worth it. But skincare to me, particularly my eyes, I've been really into eye creams. Ooh, this feels nice. Kind of smells a little bit like glue. I wish I could put this on my eyes right now. It really doesn't smell like anything. The glue scent was just super faint. So that's the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior Eye Gel. I think I'm gonna really like this already. Let's open up our box. Our amazing winter FabFitFun box. Please amaze me. I actually really love the fall box as well. I know a lot of people didn't like it, but I honestly really loved it. Is that a blanket? Definitely did not order this blanket, you guys. I love blankets, but this one is just way too small. I like big fluffy blankets. Okay, I feel kind of dumb because, okay, I did not order the blanket. I just rewatched my ordering. I should have watched this before I started the video. I chose a surprise me. That's why I got the blanket. So I feel like I'm biting my words now because I feel like I was just being such a brat about getting the blanket, and now I need to be thankful and humble that I got the blanket. It is really super soft. All right, we're changing our attitude because I chose surprise me. So this was from the first category, and you guys saw like all the other options on there too. And then the second category I also chose, did I really? Why did I choose so many surprise me? So I also chose a surprise me for that one, and they gave me the Lashes MD. To be honest, you guys, I thought that I ordered this It's so long ago when you order these things and you choose the items, you just don't remember. The only one I remembered was the color switch, which I did get that, so I'm really excited. But I'm excited about this too because I've used the Roden & Fields Lash Boost back since March, so it's been a while. But I wanted to try something different just to kind of almost like wean myself off of that one and see if it's good, because the Roden & Fields one is very expensive and I just don't know, like maybe there's something better out there. So I'm excited about this. I'm glad this was my mystery item. Let's move on to our next one. I do really kind of want to go by category just to see if I actually did get everything that I chose. Oh, awesome. Okay, so this was the next one I chose. I love face masks. I love them, especially sheet masks lately. I've been super into. So this one is from the brand KARUNA. Face for all, face and eye. Yes! I wanted an eye mask in there too. I like eye masks almost even more. I think they do make such a huge difference. And there's a whole bunch in here. That's awesome. I love a good eye mask. Customization number 4. That one, I'm really excited about this too. I've been wanting to try out Beauty Bakerie's products for such a long time, and I almost ordered something the other day, but I didn't just because I already have so much makeup and I've kind of been waiting for like really good deals. But I did get to watch and chat with the CEO on Instagram one time when she was live, and she recommended that the first product you try from her brand would be a setting powder. So that's the product that I almost purchased because I asked her and she answered my question on the live, which was super sweet because there was a lot of people watching. But this is their Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I love a good eyeshadow palette. I hope this one's good. I'm super excited about this too. We will definitely be doing a video on a look with this. That one looks like, oh my goodness. Look at that. Whoa, that is beautiful. That was very buttery too. I know that a friend of mine, you know who you are, she's another FabFitFunner. We like to compare our boxes. It makes it almost even more fun to have a friend that gets it too, because then it's like, what did you get, you know? She got this too, so that was super fun. But they have really beautiful shades. This would make just like the perfect fall look. This should have been in the fall box. That would have been perfect to be in there with all the colors. All right, let's see what's next. Ooh, okay, so category, I don't know what category that was, but the next one we chose is color switch. This is actually something you can get fairly expensive at a lot of different locations. I think I even saw one at the Dollar Tree, I want to say, but this was an option and I didn't really like the other options a whole lot, so I decided to go with this one. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Glide makeup brush. Oh. Glide makeup brush against the color switch sponge in circular motions to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed. Color switch is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water. Lay flat to dry. That's really cool. I'm gonna try one that has more. Ooh. Wonder if you can use this on larger ones. That worked so good. Stop it. I bet you could even just take it out and flip it over too. Oh, it's just like a simple little sponge. Is this like a special one, or can you make this out of something you have at home, I wonder? I'm gonna use this probably literally every single day. This is bomb. I love this. Okay, well, everything else that's in here then is bonus items. We have, I think this is the body wash. That's really cute. It's the Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Lavender oil. Oh, I love lavender. Just ran out of my regular body wash, so this is perfect, you guys. And the last thing in here, I think, oh, I forgot about this. This stuff is fantastic. I actually already own this. I have been using this for quite a few months already. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from DRYBAR. I like to spray this in my hair when it's either just wet or damp or just as a touch-up before I style. It smells wonderful. I think it smells really good, kind of almost salty smelling. It's amazing. It's not like the all-time most amazing item ever, but it does work really well, so I'm excited to have this again because I'm almost out of my regular one. The official last item in here is the makeup eraser. It says it erases all makeup with just water. It's the number one. Everything always says that they're number one. One side feels different than the other side, so this is kind of like a soft blanket feeling, and then this one just feels like a super, super soft towel, almost like a microfiber towel. I'm excited to try this tonight. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I don't know how I feel about this. Does anyone else have this at home? Am I using it wrong? Because look, there's still like, I still have mascara on. Does it not take off mascara? Usually I'll just like wipe it away with a little washable pad with some micellar water on it. And so I did that to just like dampen them. I thought, you know, maybe that might help them kind of come off a little bit easier. There's makeup on here, but I could have done this with a regular towel. And I can feel the texture difference when I like rub my face with this side versus the softer side is definitely like pulling on my skin a little bit more. But I don't know. Do you guys at home have this? Am I using it wrong? I've had time to process the blanket and I actually am very excited about it. Anyone who knows me knows I am a huge blanket person. I do just prefer like larger ones. This one feels super soft and cozy, so I'm pretty excited about that. Every single time I go to the store, I have to feel the blankets. Every time. I don't know what it is about blankets, but they're just like so soft and cozy. They just make you feel right at home, and I love that about them. I love that. Oh, this is really challenging. Okay, there we go. It has to just be like a throw pillow. I love the coloring though. Oh, wow, this is actually, ooh, ooh. This feels so, oh, this is nice. I really love it. Maybe I'll put this on our blanket ladder. Go like this. Ooh, this is the life. FabFitFun just knew that I needed the blanket. That's why they sent it to me. They're like, she doesn't know what she needs. Love FabFitFun. I'll post my link for it down below. They change their promos every month, so the one that's active this month won't be active probably in later months, but for right now, if you get a box, you get a free $150 little mini box with it too, with a bunch of items. It's just fun to get extra free things. Like the shampoo. I'm so excited about that shampoo. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. All this stuff is amazing, so thank you FabFitFun. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so I hope to see you guys back really soon. Mwah.